Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to create a Twitter account, and it's pretty easy, but you just gotta know what you have to do, and that's what I'm going to show you guys today. So what you want to do is when you download the app for the first time and you will open the app up, it will immediately say like create your Twitter account now. But if you already have an account but you want to add another account, you just want to open the app up and then click on your profile picture at the top left corner, and then click on these three dots with a circle also on the top right corner, and then click on create new account. And right here you need to fill in your name. So I'm just gonna do something random real quick, something like this, and then I'm just gonna fill in something random, but you should fill in your real name, of course. And then you can either fill in your email address or phone number. I am going to fill in a email address, and it will immediately say phone, but you just gotta click on use email instead, and now you can type in your email. So I'm just gonna do that right now, and once it says the check mark behind your email address, that will just say that this email is correct and you can use it. And now you gotta fill in the date of birth. So I'm just gonna fill in something like this. This is just a bit random to show you guys, of course, and then click on next. And once you're here, you can enable these settings: receive email about your Twitter activity and recommendations, and connect with people you know, let others find your Twitter account by your email address. And you can just enable this for yourself. I think you don't have to, but that's just all up to you. I'm just not gonna do it, so I'm just gonna click on next. And this is just to double check that all the information is correct, and if it is, then click on sign up. And now you will get a code on your email address you have just filled in, or your phone number if you have filled in your phone number. So we're gonna wait for that and then fill the code in. And once you filled in your code, you want to click on next, and it's a check mark. Now you want to create a password. So I'm just gonna do that right now. And once the password is correct and fully works, you'll see a green check mark once again, and just click on next. And here you can choose a profile picture, but for this tutorial I'm just not gonna do it. Just skip it for now. And you can fill in your bio just to tell something about you, and maybe your hobbies or something like that. But I'm gonna skip it for now as well. And then connect your address book to find people you may know on Twitter. You can do this by syncing your contacts. Then they will immediately add your friends via their phone number. Well, I'm not gonna do it either, so I'm gonna click on that now. And here you can just search for stuff you find entertaining, and you can just follow those. So for example, gaming, I'm just gonna select these two, and then stuff like that, and just click on next. And here you can also follow the people or accounts you have just selected for the genre. So just click on, for example, follow, and just like that. And you can just do it for yourself, and then click on follow, and that is how you can create your Twitter account. And now we are in, and that's basically it. So now you can fully use your Twitter account however you want to, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And I'll see you next time. Have a good day.